in next video of the Power BI exercises. So today we will be working on the value function. So here is this exercise. You can download the file. I have already downloaded the file. So this is the file that I have downloaded. Let me check, is it not working? Okay, what I will do, I will just go here and I will click open. It's preparing the report. Till then we can see, open the Power BI file above folder, which should contain this report page. Yes, it's having. Choose an area at the top. So leave this. The title is based on the measure called title. Okay, let's see the title. We have all measures. The title is not set yet. So this one, I think, yeah, it's using this. Edit the formula title measure so that it displays the name of the area chosen or all area. Okay, if you are not filtering by the voting area column. So okay, I will edit it and I will write it as figure 4, like FIG figures for this. And if we have selected value from and selected value from voting, is it the area name or the country name, like voting area, I think. And if I click enter, so you can see, if I select other, then figure for other, adrenal and this, we need to add the space here for this. So what we can do, we can do this and then space and this and this. So now if I select any, yeah, let's say, what if we select multiple? So is it saying that, do we need for multiples? All adders, not right now. So use is filter function to see if you are filtering by area. I don't think so we need this. Okay, now that's a good situation. uh mhm. Now it's saying that use the concatenate x function to show the list of, okay, so let's say we select 1 2 3 areas, then we need the areas like this. So what we can do in the title, instead of using these, what I can do is like this. And let's say if I do this and do this, do this, do this, do this. So if, and again I done selected value and then again the voting area and then this, and then I add one more, this. Can't he pitch it? Can't he, no? So this is what I'm doing for, let's say, if we select 3 countries. See, so right now it's saying that adara adara adara. So if I select only 1 2 3 countries, so as you can see, there are like two, these bars are coming, but instead of these bars, what we need to do, so this is not working. So what we will do, in this, if you see, is giving us use is filtered function to see if you are filtering by the areas. So what I will do, I will just remove this and we will use if is filtered. Okay, we will need the table name, which is this area, and then this, and then logical is, now we will return the true value, like what should be the value for this. So the logic is, we will be using if as one value voting area, then then we will use figures for, let's say this, and value voting voting area. Okay, and I will close this, and then we will use this concatenate x function, and then I will use the table which is voting, comma, and expression is, instead of directly taking this, we can take the values from here, voting areas, and this, and area only. Okay, and we can add this here. Will this, and I will use, instead of all areas, if nothing is selected, and then close this, and let's see if we are getting anything. Okay, right now if you can see, when we use this thing, then we are getting everything. So if nothing is selected, then it's directly giving us all areas. If I select one, then it's giving us the figure for Ardour, figure for Agnes. If I select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's now giving us each and every name for whatever I have selected. So this is how it should work. Like, you have to use the different methods in which you can use these kind of the functions. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.